Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Duo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by Ericsson on the name Ericsson Empowering Girls Scholarship Program for the year 2021 and year 2022 for engineering girl students across India. For this scholarship, the financial assistance will be given up to 75,000 rupees per year. That is a very important scholarship is there for the girls who are going to join the engineering branch. And this scholarship we have to go for online buddyforstudy.com, www.buddyforstudy.com for applying this scholarship. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp, Pune, Maharashtra, India. And our college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Let's start. First, we'll see about the scholarship program, the Ericsson, and the deadline is 30th November 2021. So still we have the time is there. So those who are viewers are there, I request them to, if you are eligible, you can apply. Otherwise, pass on to your nearby family members or your group circle so that the needy girl student can get this support from the scholarship and continue their higher education and become the empowering girl in the engineering branch. So Ericsson Empowering Girl Scholarship Program for the year 2021, and this is the giving a scholarship by Ericsson to support financial support for the meritorious girl student coming from underprivileged section of the society. Under this program, girl students who are in the second year, that is IT, Information Technology and Computer Science, or MBA program across India. MBA I'll take as a separate one. So today here we are going to see for only the engineering. Across India will provide it with a financial assistance of rupees 75,000 per year to cover their academic expenses. Ericsson, one of the important leading provider of information and communication technology, that is ICT, to service provider globally. And the company has launched this scholarship program as a part of the CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility initiative to encourage and help the meritorious girl students from the disadvantaged backgrounds to pursue their higher education. Now benefit 75,000 per year next 3 years. The scholarship amount will be utilized only for the academic expenses including tuition fee, hostel fees, food, internet, mobile, laptop, books, stationery and online learning. So for this particular purpose, they are giving the scholarship. And nowadays, the engineering fees are very high. It is more than 1 lakh rupees. So those who are deserving are there. As early as possible, they can apply for this scholarship. First, we'll see about the eligibility for this particular scholarship. It is applicants must be a girl student across India. So it is all India level scholarship is there. Applicant must be studying in the second year of engineering program in ICT stream, that is Information Technologies and Computer Science at state UGC recognized colleges in India. The applicant must have scored 6.5 GPA or equivalent marks in the previous final examination. Annual family income should be less than 6 lakh rupees. It should be 6 lakh equal or it should be less than 6 lakh rupees. And the children of employees of Ericsson and Buddy for Study are not eligible for this scholarship. Now the next important one is the documentation. What are the documents we have to upload? First one, photo identity proof in the form of Aadhaar card, your college ID or your driving license, PAN card, voter ID card, so that anyone will be, as will be a photo ID proof will be there, passport size photograph, it should be high resolution, income proof, it is in the form of Form 16A, or income certificate from the government authorities, that is Tahsildar or magistrate, or if you have the salary slip, you can upload the salary slip also. Proof of admission. So you have been got this admission through the engineering round, so you should have that proof, or you have a college or university I-card, bona fide certificate, that will be good. Bona fide certificate, you can put your photograph and stamp on it, that will be better, or otherwise on that also you can make the Aadhaar card, so that your Aadhaar card as well as your bona fide certificate will become one itself. Then the current academic year fee receipt where you are taken in the second year admission, the bank account details, then the cancelled check and the passbook copy. Any one of this will be required, and the mark sheet of the previous year or grade cards of the previous examination is required. And how you are going to apply? You have to go to the www.buddyforstudy.com. This is the scholarship portal, and majority, the 60% scholarship are there on this particular Buddy for Study portal. So this scholarship material we have been taken from buddyforstudy.com. There you have to see in this particular Ericsson Power, search for this scholarship. There will be apply button is there. If you apply this button, immediately will go for the registration form, because there will be whether you have already been registered over here or you have not registered. If you have registered, then just you have to go to the login. If you are the new registration is there, then with the help of the Facebook, Google or mobile number or email ID, you have to register your account. So that is very important. Once you have been registered, it will be redirected to the scholarship page, and there you have to start start application button. Press that button. Then whatever the information has been asked, systematically fill all the details. One or two times you can check it out, whatever the thing you have been there. Then whatever the documents they are asked where to be uploaded, so you have to upload that documents, and all these documents should be in JPG or PNG format, and they should be in a high resolution, and there should be the KB should be less than 100 KB. Then you have to see very important one, terms and condition. Read out the terms and condition, accept the terms and condition. Once you accept the term and condition, click the preview button so that you can see whatever the details one or two times. Check it out, cross check, you have to make it out. Once you satisfied that whatever the information you feel, because there will where you have been going to make a problem, there are 12-digit number of Aadhaar card, 12 number digits of your bank account, then IFC code. These are the very important one. Then whatever the number, mobile number you are giving, then email ID is giving, it should be continue for the next 3 years. Keep in mind. In case if you have any problem, you can reach to this buddyforstudy.com 011 Delhi number 430-92248, and extension is 225, that is 225. And in the office hours, that is Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. you can call them, or just you can make email, then punk@buddyforstudy.com. So this is the email ID. You can ask your doubts or whatever the grievances are there, you can make that. Now what will be the selection process for this scholarship? Once you fill this one, then your form automatically go into that particular scholarship. They will make the merit based on your academic record and your financial background, and depending upon this one, they will prepare the initial shortlisting the application based on these two criteria, and those cutouts, whatever the deadline they have made about this one, whatever the students are there, these students will be selected, and then they will have a telephonic interview. Now in that telephonic interview, what they are going to ask you, which branch you are doing, what course you are doing, then what is your future planning is there, why you require the scholarship, and once you've done the engineering, how you're going to help the needy students. So there you have to give these answers, and what is your aim is there, that will be there, what is your goal, yes, that will be there, and how you're going to make out the philanthropies. So that thing should be done on the telephonic. Then the final interview with the Ericsson selection committee for the final selection. Once you have done this one, then there will be final interview will be there, and once you are selected, at that time the verification, all the original documents, whatever you have been uploaded, keep in a proper file, and once you have been going for the selection, because 75,000 is a huge amount, once you get that, so they are going to verify your documents that you are been there in the second year engineering. Then onward, there will be only the next year and next year, that will be what we have to make, renew has to make out. So this is what we have, what the scholarship about this Ericsson. Now in addition, November month is now giving number of scholarships are applied. So initially we will see about the body for study. So here I have been specially mentioned this one. These two scholarships, that is Kotak Shiksha Nidhi, that is the last date is 31st March 2020. This video shortly. Then the next one, Bible Sashakt Scholarship. Last date is 30th November 2021. That is BSES, Yamaha Power Limited. It is giving us the scholarship, and especially this scholarship is there for Delhi regions. So we will make that also video. This is what we have today. We have seen the Ericsson Power. The next one MBA will see in the next subsequent video. Then COVID crisis Jyoti Prakash Support Scholarship. This is the scholarship is given by the bodyforstudy.com, and there whatever the earning members of the families are there, if any one of them has been lost or they have lost their jobs, and then you will be eligible for this scholarship. And right from first standard to the PhD, there will be the scholarships are there. Up to 75,000 scholarship is there. Similar one, there will be Nikon scholarship program 2021 and year 2022. It is the last date is 30th November. This particular scholarship program is given for those students who want to become a professional photographers, and they have joined a 6 months diploma course, and in that they are going to get a scholarship of 1 lakh rupees. So those students who want to become the professional photographers, freelance photographers, for them this is a good opportunity to go for Nikon. Nikon is sponsoring the scholarship. The last date is 30th November 2021. Already the 2020 have been uploaded the video. Those who are interested, they can go onto my channel and just check it out there. So vocational courses, there you can find out this Nikon scholarship. This is also there on the bodyforstudy.com. Then the next one, STFC India Meritorious Scholarship. Scholarship has been sponsored by Sriram Group, and the last date is 15th November, and already I have been uploaded this scholarship, and this is also on bodyforstudy.com. Then Merck India Charitable Trust Scholarship Program. Last date is 30th November. This also scholarship is there for the girl student. Then SDFC Parivartan COVID crisis. Right from first standard to PhD, the SDFC is giving scholarship for those students whose parents, any one of the parents has lost during the pandemic, or they have lost the jobs. So for them, this is a good opportunity to continue their education with the support of the HDFC Bank Parivartan COVID crisis. So that scholarship is also there. Last date is 30th November. The last year's scholarship has been uploaded on my YouTube channel. Those who are interested, they can go and check it out. Otherwise, I am going to upload again in the next week. So you can see the details will be there on Body for Study. From there, you have to apply for this scholarship. The next one, Piaggio Shiksha Se Samruddhi Scholarship for the students who has passed 10th standard and joined the diploma. This particular scholarship has to be launched in October, but October as well as November, this scholarship has been not launched up till now. Just you have to watch out for this scholarship. This scholarship is giving for those children whose parents are owning the 3-wheelers, or they are having the rickshaw driver license. For them, those who pass the 10th standard going for diploma, that is one scholarship. The second one, those who have passed the 12th standard and going for a diploma, for them also the scholarship is giving 80% of the total fee, that is around maximum 20,000 will be given, and these two scholarships will be there in the vidyasarthi.co.in. You have to go on that particular website and check it out, the details. I hope from my side I clear those who are interested to find so many scholarships. I have already categorized number of folders on my YouTube channel. That is the PC, Geo, Kimberlite, Source of Diamond. There you can go. The schools 1st to 10th standard, that is one section I made. 11 to 12, that is the one section. Then undergraduate non-professional courses, that is BA, BSc, BCom, that is a folder is there. Then professional folders, engineering, then the medical and allied branches made a separate one. Then MBA made a separate one. PG, engineering and medical made a separate. Similar one. Non-professional PG, MA, MCom, MSc, that made a separate. Then ITI, diploma made a separate one. Then BSc nursing and the what we have, the BEd. So these are the various categories I have made. Those who are interested, they can go and search it out and see that whether you can get any one of your liking scholarship and apply for that scholarship and continue your education. No need to drop your, you should be continue, and whatever your goals are there, you can achieve. Thank you. Have a nice day.